I guess Milo wants to say hello first. Hi everybody, I am back. I've been away for a while because I've recently had to have a shoulder surgery. So I've been out of commission for a while, but I'm slowly coming back. So recently I've been rocking this purse a lot because with the shoulder surgery I couldn't carry anything heavy. So this mini bag has been really handy carrying just bare minimum essentials. So I just wanted to show this little lady off. Also because of the shoulder surgery, I've been basically attached to this little bag. It's a pump. It's a pump that has little bolus. So I had to wear this 24/7. So yeah, that's been my life recently. So let me put this back on again and then bring out the star of the show today. Ta-da! We have another unboxing today. I'm very excited about this. So I mainly carry, if I just take it out of this purse right here, this small card holder. I use this as a main wallet, but when I need to go like absolutely bare minimum, it's still quite thick. So I wanted to get a smaller card holder where I need to like really carry bare minimum, just my ID, like 1 or 2 important credit card or something like that. So I wanted to find a card holder for that purpose. So this bad card holder is in this box. So let's open this together. Dun, da, da, da. I have to be careful because of my shoulder. Yes, Bella is also checking it out. And now Milo is checking it out. Dun, da, da, da. Louis Vuitton. What else could it be? Of course it's gonna be Louis Vuitton. Wait, this is somebody's return. The blue ribbon is not even on the box. It's like, come on. And where's all that orange envelope? These are typically in the orange envelope. They didn't even put it in orange envelope. Oh, come on. That's disappointing. Okay, let's just get to the goodie. As long as the goodie is okay, then that's fine. Ready? Ta-da! No, that's not. Oh, Escale. I guess it's a booklet for Escale collection. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I pronounce it Escale collection or Escale collection. I'm not sure what the correct pronunciation is. The real goodie is right here. Little pic. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's so pretty. Isn't this so beautiful? I just want to make sure that everything is okay, because obviously it looks like this is somebody's return. It's kind of really disappointing, Louis Vuitton, that they didn't even bother to put the blue ribbon back on. Okay, so this is the product number, and cowhide leather lining. This is, let's see, made in Spain. I was hoping for made in France, but that's okay. It's so pretty. Let's see what fits in here. Give you a little close-up so you can see this giant monogram is perfectly aligned right there. And there's that pocket, and it's perfectly aligned here. And then same for the smaller monogram. So this flower is perfectly aligned with the pocket, which is kind of cool. And as you can see, it's very pliable. It's soft. So you can easily access the pocket, the middle pocket as well. So there's one pocket on the front, another pocket on the back, and then middle pocket. Very soft and pliable. Close up. I put my ID on this front pocket, not front, on this side pocket, and there's a second pocket on the back. So I put my other credit card in here, and then I put one more credit card in here as well. So it's not very stiff, it's very supple and pliable. So you can see you can access the middle pocket easily even though you have cards on both sides. So that's nice. So yeah, it looks really pretty. I love the color. The giant monogram and then the smaller monogram on the other side. So that's very pretty. Yeah. So I guess this is a keeper. I really like it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope all of you guys stay safe. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then hit the subscribe button down below. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.